This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Emery. It's a great time to live in Suffolk. We are located approximately 1 mile from the interstate and 1 mile from growing downtown with great local food and shopping. The home will not disappoint inside or out. Our updated and open floor plan makes the house functional for entertaining, or just comfortable living with spacious bedrooms and a walk-in closet in the master. That's not it. You will not want to leave home. The pool is surrounded by a 1-year-old deck and has a fully fenced backyard with a double tin gate on both sides of the yard. The detached garage is a 500 square foot dream for storing your boat, golf cart, kayaks, tools, cars, etc. Yes, we have a driveway to the house and a separate 2-car driveway for the garage. Yes, there is a neighborhood boat launch. Yes, the neighbor